As always, I'm going to prime my nose using my Morphe R32 brush and my MAC Studio Finish Concealer. You guys should know why I do this by now. My nose contour tends to slip and slide around because my nose is super oily, so putting the extra layer on there, even on my everyday makeup routine, really helps everything to stay in place. For foundation, I'm going to grab my Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick in the shade Y315, and I'm just going to start drawing that on my face. Going into my Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte, I'm going to highlight my face. Anyways, moving on, I'm just blending this in with my damp beauty blender. Then I'm going to grab just a tiny bit of the Kat Von D Whiteout Concealer and just make a few dots under my eyes and in the center of my forehead. Same place I put the concealer, just obviously not using as much as this because we don't want to look too pale, but I'm pretty pasty already, so I like to add as much contrast to my face as possible. Just going to quickly blend out the creases underneath my eyes, then going with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I have not used this in a long time. I'm next going to grab my MAC Studio Fix Foundation Powder and my Morphe E48 and put that in the same place as I put my concealer. Basically, my super easy wearable glam makeup routine is the exact same as my full-on glam crazy makeup routine. I'll just use a whole lot less of the same products. To bronze my face today, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Kit. Shocking. And I'm going to use this new brush from the Morphe Copper Collection. These brushes are so freaking pretty. I actually have yet to use them. I just got home, like I said, so I just got a chance to open up all my PR packages. Oh my god, I've been in love with copper lately. You guys have no idea how excited I am to move out and decorate my own place. Literally walking into my house is going to be like walking into a Pinterest board, and I literally cannot wait. This brush is actually so good for contouring and bronzing. I'm kind of shook right now. It's much more dense than I'm used to, but it puts on the color really nicely. What is the name of this? Oh, it doesn't have a name. Okay, maybe you actually have to buy the entire set together. Either way, remember you can always use code JAMES for 10% off all products at Morphe. Y'all know that they are one of my fave brands. I'm really lightly going to use my JD Wady 180 brush to contour my nose. I'm still going to slim it down using the middle shade of the palette, like always, but I'm not going to go as heavy as normal just because this is everyday makeup and not something so intense and drag-y. Yeah. Next, to bake my face, I'm going to take more of my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder and this brush from the Morphe Copper Collection and dip it in and then tap on the powder. So while my face bakes for a few minutes, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get started on my brows. Now my eyebrows are one step that actually does drastically change from my super glam routine to my everyday makeup routine. Usually you guys know I would go into my Anastasia dip brow, but today I'm going to be using my Benefit Processing My Brow Pencil in the shade number 5 to slay these brows. I'm going to start off by just lightly combing through the hairs and brushing them upwards in the direction that I want them to go. As you guys can see, I already have super thick natural brows, so I'm just going to start off by kind of sketching in the tail because my brow kind of stops abruptly here and I want to make sure there's at least some definement. Anyways, to finish off this look, finally I'm going to go to my Kat Von D Bow and Arrow Liquid Lipstick. This is my all-time favorite nude shade. I always wear it when I do light makeup looks and you guys always ask. It stays on all day. I would definitely recommend.